MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com and State Farm.
The fuel-efficient miles keep rolling in our 2019 Honda Insight. We're now around 14,000 miles, averaging 47.3 miles per gallon, which is right in line with what we've been seeing. Those impressive numbers come seamlessly from the two-motor hybrid system with a 1.5-liter i4 paired up with a CVT. The 151 horsepower has enough stamina to keep up with most of our driving needs.
14,000 miles in, and now we're starting to notice the little things that make the Insight a great daily driver, like how easy it is to maneuver in tight areas, and then of course there's the technology. I like using Apple CarPlay, while others on staff have gotten a ton of use out of the side view camera.
The decidedly upscale and tech-filled driver space remains a comfortable place to spend highway time as we embark on fall getaways.